Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add a business page to your Facebook ad account if it's telling you that you don't have a page. So what you want to do is go to accounts, and then you want to go to pages, and then you want to click on add. And you got three options. You can either create a new page, request access to a page, or add a page. And since we already have a business page, we're going to click add a page. And we're going to click the name of our page, add page, and there we go. We've just added our page to our business account, and so now we will be able to create campaigns and start running ads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.